Hello everybody, let's just call this a bonus 2018 Matchbox unboxing. We are looking at the R case. The assortments go through M. We've already opened an M case, but we have also come to learn that anything after M, whether it be N or P or whatever, is a Chase, Sapphire Chase case. So that is what this is. So we are going to open it up right now. So many of the models we have seen, and then we'll see, I'm assuming, a Sapphire Gem special 65th anniversary model. They did 4 in this case, or in this for this year for the Sapphire Gems. I can see them right here. And then they're going to call, I think, a special super fast anniversary edition for 2019, right? And I'm going to actually preview those here fairly soon, but let's get right to it. We just did the M case unboxing. You've seen that, so you know this is going to be more M cases. I don't know what's being replaced, but there's going to be 2 Sapphire Gems in here, which we're going to get to very quickly. So we'll walk through these. We've seen these, the ATV and the Jeep and the travel tracker. So let's just get to the nitty-gritty right now. It is the 2010 Ford F-150 SVT Raptor 65th anniversary edition. Let's see, I think I've got, if I put these down, just in a case right here, you'll have to bear with me. There is the standard release, beautiful Gulf deco for this Raptor, and then there is the Sapphire Gem. They picked four models from this year's mix: the Golf, the Oldsmobile Vista Cruiser, and then the Plymouth Cuda, and then put them in these special Sapphire Gem 65th anniversary decos. So if you see this one, grab it. Well, if you see this one, grab it too, because it's super cool. But 2 of those in this case. Now, the one thing about these aren't chases in the way we think of like super treasure hunts, because if it's an R case, there's going to be 2 of them in here. The assortment is exactly the same. So they'll be there. There's the Jag, the 56 Jag, which is very, very cool. I'll put those Raptors up there. The rest of the case we'll walk through real quickly. Here's the boat, the Tin Forcer, Sub Seeker, and the Glass King. Okay, this one was not in the L case, the Jeep Liberty, or I'm sorry, the Willys Jeep, sorry. Don't know what I was thinking there. And then the Holden SVU, VE, I'm getting all ahead of myself. There's the Holden Ute SSV and the Ford Ranchero. So the new castings, like the Ranchero and the Jag are in here. Here is the Nissan Junior, which is very, very cool. There's the Porsche Panamera and the Ground Grinder. Scania P360. I think you guys told me I said it right, but I don't remember what I said to make it sound right. Freightliner in the National Parks Deco, and then the International E-Star. So I think all of the standard, L case stuff is here. I'm sorry, M case stuff is here. Snow Thrasher. There is the Nissan Leaf, which is new, and then the Road Raider. And then last but not least, the Hudson Hornet, the Frost Fighter, and the Austin Healey, the 63 Austin Healey, which is gorgeous. So I don't think I saw the Audi in this case, the Audi RS2/RS6, whatever you want to call it. There probably were a couple other models that were missing, but the new stuff is in there. The new M case stuff is in there. That's the most important. And then, of course, these beautiful Sapphire Gems. So you find that, definitely pick it up. All right, guys. Thanks to Mattel for sending this case over. I think we're putting 2018 to bed with Matchbox, I think. I mean, maybe there's something else coming, but I think we're done. On to 2019. Thanks, everybody. Bye.